That song too. The one and
Antoine
only.
and Sir Dave.
Yes. And of course, syempre, the one and only Miss Whitney Houston.
Oo.
Kung nasan ka man
Ngayon.
ngayon, dyan ka na lang.
Oo, huwag mo na kaming gagambalain pa.
Oo, busy kami. Baka kasi si Yes, susunod tayo kaagad.
Hindi na kung paparamdam siya ngayon, baka aangat yan. Nandiyan pala siya.
Tapos dito haampas sa akin. Yan. Hindi naman. And of course, syempre, nakakalungkot na si Whitney nawala.
Oo,
It's very, very sad that,
Kasi halos lahat kasi, idolo niya, di ba?
Oo, lahat ng mga idol. Sana man lang hindi susunod ka agad si Beyonce, si...
Baka susunod na rin. Maganda naman talagang buhay.
Tapos yung natira na lang si Lady Gaga na lang. Siya ka naman, di ba? Lahat mga kanta ni Lady Gaga. Isang song talaga na ayoko eh. Di ba?
Bakit ayoko?
Ayoko, parang Gaga. Pangalan pa lang Gaga na eh.
Kamukha mo naman siya.
Gago!
Gago ka nga.
Anyways, Ma'am Naime, that's for you.
Oo nga. Is there any songs in your mind right now?
And how about Sir
Dave.
Sir Dave? What song
Yeah.
you wanna hear?
What song you want to hear? We can sing Frank Sinatra for you.
Yes, or Mark Monroe.
Mark Monroe.
Open arms, do you know one?
Open Arms.
Open Arms.
Wow, I like
By The
that.
Journey.
The Journey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anything about
Hindi,
that?
na meatloaf.
And in our journey, how about Faithfully? Can we try Faithfully?
Two favorite songs anyway.
Alright.
Yeah.
But you know what? The last time,
Sexually. Also, it's from Journey.
yeah, and also, I just would like to inform you, sir, that the last time that I sang, that I sang Faithfully, the foreigner gave me money. Why? That's true, because he really like my own version of Faithfully.
What is your own version? How will you sing it well?
I will sing it, after this, Open Arms. But can we try to do first the Faithfully, because the last time
Faithfully first.
yes, the last time that the foreigner gave me is about 1,000 pesos.
Oh, really?
I hope you will give me now more than that, because I am expecting. I'm just kidding.
That's why he's never come back.
Hey, it's you! You're come back!
Ay, it's you again.
It's you again?
Well, it was you who gave me 1,000, right? No, I hope sir that you know what's happening here. Maybe you were thinking that we are just needing money.
Yeah, it's true.
It's true. Joke only. Anyway, I will do Faithfully.
But if you really have a conscience like that,
yes, and if
you
you
can
really have
accept it.
correct. And I know that the people from England are very, very generous.
Yeah, like Sir David.
Very, very handsome. Aside from handsome, very rich.
Yeah, and they are flying also.
Yes.
Because I know that people in England are like flying like that. You know that?
Flying like that?
Yeah, Adam's family.
Ano to, te? Sige, try to do this.
Parang ano English.